on the part 4 where we have stopped is retorting, and this is can cooling. Can are cooled at about 35 degrees Celsius. Contents are cooled immediately to prevent overcooking. This will prevent germination of any remaining non-pathogenic thermophilic spores in the optimum temperature. At the end of processing, retort pressure falls rapidly and the can content lose heat slowly. Internal pressure remains high. In the way of cooling is considered on part of heat processing as the can center temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 93.3 degrees Celsius in low acid food, and 140 degrees Fahrenheit at 60 degrees Celsius in acid food. Cool, that is cool, not as cool, still has killing effect on microorganisms while cooking. Defects arising due to improper cooling. Cold spot during heat process act as hot spot during cooling and hence leads to overprocessing in this area, resulting in loss of nutritional and sensory quality, and also undesirable chemical changes take place. Large structural crystals are formed due to slow cooling. Small crystals are not noticed, but large crystals are noticed and they are objectionable. This is a problem in crab meat and some variety of tuna. Slow insufficient cooling inside the can leads to stack burning during storage when stored very closely. Medium used for can cooling and the limits. Can cooling in air or current of air is suitable only in temperate countries as it is a slow process. The most commonly used medium is running water, but requires more quantity of work. Use of chilled water may lead to overcooling, which result in sweating of the can on the outer surface. This will lead to outer can corrosion. It is sufficient to cool the cans to room temperature or 1 degree Celsius above the room temperature. Labeling. Labeling is done after cooling and drying. Labels should be put on the cans. Labels should display the can information such as name of the product, additives added, weight of the content, date of manufacture, batch number, license number, and the manufacturer address. This was the canning part 4.